2021. So I am making breakfast for my man today, my husband. So I was low on potatoes, so here I am at Walmart parking lot to get some potatoes, some more potatoes to make him his favorite breakfast. I mean, his favorite breakfast. He told me he can eat that thing every single day without getting tired of it. So, and you guys are about to find out what it is, all right? So, basically, it's gonna be awesome, all right? So, day 4, stay tuned, guys, all right? So, I would like to thank everybody who is going to like the video, comment, subscribe to the channel, and share our videos. I'm thanking you ahead of time, okay guys? So thank you so much to all of you. So stay tuned, guys. I'm about to go inside Walmart to get some more items. I do need a few more items that I need, and well, let's go, guys. Woo. Right here, you know, don't look at my messy vehicle. It's a mess. This one, and they don't have it. And I'm cooking breakfast for my husband. Cooking breakfast. See my little buns. So this is what I got here. Let's put the camera down a bit so I can bring that down. I have these potatoes. Those are the ones I just got from Walmart, and those were from Sam's Club, little small ones. Since I didn't go to Sam's Club, so I went to Walmart to add some more potatoes. Those were from Sam's Club, but I did buy some from Walmart today. Probably for tomorrow. So, and this is the pan I'm gonna use. I already washed that. And this is the pan I'm gonna cook in. This is a 6-quart pan. Okay, so guys, I have garlic powder. I'm gonna put some lime leaves on there, dry ones. And I have cilantro. And I'm gonna put some parsley. This is gonna be the first time putting the parsley. I just bought the parsley. I actually just never buy it, so I got some today. I'm gonna put a little bit of paprika. I always A lot of times I don't put the paprika in, but sometimes I do. Ooh, where's my favorite? Where's my favorite? Where's my favorite? There it is. I am going to put turmeric on there, turmeric powder. So I already showed you guys the potatoes, and I am going to put about 3 sausages. See, so and I can never miss this right here. Now I am going to wash the potatoes. I will be back. Okay, so I'm adding one more sausage. I already washed them about 3-4 times already, so I use some water in there. Cut these parts off. Just leave them with the skin. And he love this breakfast. I cooking breakfast for my husband. Yes, for my man, my husband. And mo ba yung husband? For the husband mo? For them? Yes, husband. Ah, that old man. He's like, what's that? What does that mean anyway? Like, in English, your husband. Does it mean your raggedy husband? Is that, I don't know if that's what that means. That's Valencia, guys, my cousin. Who's just bugging me while I'm making. Yeah, my crazy cousin. She is crazy. I mean, crazy. Yes, she is.
No.
Yes. She said the only thing she needs to do is just go out there and start running. Oh goodness, that's not funny. What my video on there? Wait. In, right? And now I'm going to after this, mix it in. So we'll make sure it's cooked. Now here's the cheese on top. Cheese. Alright, done here. I'm done. This is for him, my husband breakfast right here. Isn't that beautiful? So, babe, how's your breakfast?
It's awesome. It's brunch.
Yeah, with yeah, because I went to Walmart. By the time I come back and get a few items, now it's basically lunchtime. You like it? So how it tastes?
Good. Be best.
There you go, making a mess. And you ate it.
Gotta get every little bite. Like, subscribe, give it a thumbs up,
Share our videos.
share the video, and comment below.
Bye.
Bye.